Send blessings and peace eternally upon your beloved, the best of all creation. Praise belongs to Allah, the creator of all creation, and blessings be upon the chosen one from ancient times, Muhammad, the master of both worlds and both realms, and of both groups, Arabs and non-Arabs. O messenger, my heart longs for your neighbors. I mixed my tears with the blood that flowed from my eyes. What is wrong with my eyes if they shed tears when I speak of you? And what is wrong with my heart if it burns when you are remembered? How can you deny love after witnesses have testified with their tears and their suffering? I seek forgiveness from Allah for my words without deeds. I have attributed myself to a lineage that I have not fulfilled. Our prophet is the one who commands and forbids. None is more truthful in speech or more gracious in action. He is the beloved whose intercession is hopeful against every terrible calamity that overwhelms us. He called unto Allah, and those who held fast to him held to a rope that will never break. He is like the flower in its beauty, the full moon in its splendor, the ocean in generosity, and time in its resolve. O most noble of creation, whom can I turn to in times of difficulty besides you when great trials befall us? And upon his family and companions and those who follow them, you are adorned with grace, kindness, patience, and generosity. May Allah be pleased with Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and Ali, possessors of noble generosity. The Prophet surpasses all prophets in both form and character, and none can match him in knowledge or nobility. So forgive our struggles and forgive the one who recites this. I ask you for all good, O Lord of generosity and kindness. O my Lord, through the chosen one, fulfill our aspirations, and forgive us for what has passed, O possessor of vast mercy.